Baby Henry in his carriage. Here's Mommy Susie. We're off for an adventure. It is a little colder than we expected, but he's nice and bundled up, nice and warm with his blanket and his hat. We are heading on this adventure, on the day in Boston, to the RV show, where Sue's gonna buy herself a new vehicle. And in fact, if we can't get our lease extended for the house, we might have to buy an RV and live in outside the house. So we're gonna explore some RVs. It's gonna be funny and fun and an adventure. We were gonna take the baby Bajor out today, or Bajon, or whatever it's called, but I keep going straight, yeah. But we figured we need this carriage to hold all the stuff we bring in. So Mommy might be buying a sweatshirt at the store today. Well, we made it. Frozen, but we made it. Alright, time to see some RVs. Ooh, there's a TV out there? Yeah. That's nice. Henry, you gonna buy an RV?
I think he's gonna get hungry.
Which one do you like?
This one has an island, fireplace, entertainment center. Look at all the space. Oh, wow.
So being nosy, we wanted to check out what the convention was over here. And we're not quite sure. It looks like there's... Really, I have no idea what the hell is going on there. Just some dental stuff. It's a big convention. This is the RV show. I think it's on the other side, right? So Henry's being an unhappy camp. Too much activity for one day. What'd you think of the RV show? You think you're gonna buy one? No? No cameras? No cameras? I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and click the alarm so whenever you get notification, we get new ones. See you later. Bye.